Hey beauties, I'm your skin babe. Hope you all doing good. This is my first video. Hope it will be useful for all of you. So, my on and only goal and purpose for making this video is that I firmly believe that everyone and every one of you is beautiful, and the most important is that beauty is for all. Yes, whether you might be black or white or yellow, whatever skin tone might be. I really believe that beauty is for all. So let's start. Today we're gonna see about the more common question that every person in the world would come across once in a life, which is why skincare is important. Yeah, the word skincare simply says all that one must take care of your skin. Today I'm going to say few importance of skincare. Skincare, first of all, is important because our skin is the largest barrier against infection that we have. Keep our skin healthy and moisturized. Keeps health this barrier strong. So, few benefits of skincare. It reduces stress, relieves psychological distress, cleanse your skin properly, prevents aging, rejuvenate your skin, treats skin problem, and the most important thing, it gives glow to the skin, it brightens your skin and widens too. But for that you need to proper care, take a proper care of your skin. So this just for beginner. For more videos, subscribe, like, and please share it. Thank you.